Hello friends, here is LG 7 kgs front load fully automatic washing machine. Now I will explain the specification of this machine, and I will also show you how to use this machine completely. It means I will show you how to use here wash programs, and in this detergent tray how to add the detergent, and how to use the softener. And next I will also explain how to use the settings in this display of this machine. Here it is inlet pipe to take water from the water tap, and next here it is drain pipe. After the washing is complete, the drain water comes out through this pipe. If you want to know installation process of these pipes, or if you want to know the complete cleaning process of this machine, that is if you want to know how to clean the machine's detergent tray or washing drum or inside corner of the machine, I have given the machine complete cleaning process video link and installation process video link in the description and screens also. Okay, now I will show you how to use this machine completely. This is 7 kgs machine, that means the washing drum loading capacity here is up to 7 kgs. While adding the cloths to the washing drum, do not add in reverse, because the cloths like jeans have more dirt on the outside. If you have any doubts, you can also comment in below comment section. Okay, next this is this machine's detergent tray. It has 3 compartments here. It is a main wash compartment. We have to use it for detergent, and next this compartment is for fabric softener, and this compartment is for pre-wash. Now I will show you how to use these compartments one by one. This is the main wash compartment. We have to use it for detergent. If you want to use detergent liquid, you can also use detergent liquid instead of the detergent powder. Next, this blue color compartment is for fabric softener. We can add fabric softener in this blue color compartment when you add detergent in the main wash compartment, because after the wash is completed with the detergent, a machine automatically takes the fabric softener in the second cycle when it needed. Next, here it is pre-wash compartment. Generally we don't need pre-wash, but if you want to wash with 2 times detergent, add some detergent to this compartment also, along with the main wash compartment, and turn on the pre-wash option here. If you start the machine after turning on the pre-wash, after washing with the detergent in this pre-wash compartment, machine again washes with the detergent in this main wash compartment. Okay, here I explained how to use this detergent tray completely. Next I will explain how to use these wash programs. Machine has a scrolling type of wheel option here. Here are some wash programs options around it, like cotton, cotton large, and mix options. The machine takes the cotton wash program by default here, but we can scroll through this option and we can manually select the wash program depending on the class you add to the machine. Here it takes cotton option by default. You can choose this cotton option when you want to wash cotton type of cloths. If this cotton option is selected, it takes 1 hour and 25 minutes to complete the washing. And in this display we can check the washing time also, how long it takes to wash your clothes after starting the machine or when you select the wash program here. Next, this is the cotton large wash program. You can choose this option if you want to add a heavy load of cotton type of cloths like blankets to the machine. Next is the mix option here. You can choose it regularly, that is if you want to add all type of cloths in washing drum, you can select this mix option. If you select this option, it will take 1 hour 10 minutes to wash your clothes. Next, here is easy care wash program. If you want to wash without ironing clothes after washing is completed, you can select this wash program. Next, here is baby care wash program. If you have small children in your home, you can select this option when you put their clothes separately in the machine. If you choose this baby care wash option, it will take more than 3 hours to wash their clothes. Next, here is rinse plus spin option. Normally after starting the machine, machine will wash, rinse and spin these 3 cycles. We can choose this wash program when you need both rinse and spin cycles apart from the first wash cycle. Next here is quick 30 wash option. Compared to the other wash programs, here it washes in less time in 30 minutes. You can choose this option when you add less cloths to the machine washing drum, or when the cloths have less dirt or stains. Next option is wool option. If you want to wash wool type of cloths like sweaters, you can choose this wash program. Next, this is delicate wash option. If you want to wash delicate type of cloths, like if you want to wash any work sarees, you can choose this wash program. Next here is sportswear wash option. If you want to wash sports type of clothes, you can choose this sportswear wash program. Okay, here I explained how to use these wash programs completely. Next, the machine has some settings on the display here. Here is the touch display. When we want to change any option, if we touch here, it will change on the display. When you select the wash programs here, the machine automatically takes the default settings for the water temperature and drying in the washing drum. But if you want to change the settings manually, you can change the settings manually here with these options. Okay, here it is the spin option. Spin means drying. With this option, we can manually set the drying spin speed between 400 rpm to 1200 rpm as we decide. Next here is temperature option. With this option, we can manually set how much temperature we want between 20 to 95 degrees. Next here is the pre-wash option. If you want to wash with 2 times detergent, you can use this option. I have already shown how to use this option while explaining the detergent tray. Next, this is time delay option. Here we can set the time after how many hours we want to start and end the machine. This is the incentive option. You can choose this option when you put a little more load on the machine and you want to increase the washing time a little more, or if you ever want to increase the some washing time, you can choose this incentive option here. If you turn on the incentive option here, the time will increase 10 minutes. Next here it looks like a star symbol, which means tub clean option. You can use this option to clean machine's washing drum. For some machines, this option directly written as tub clean option, but if you want tub clean for this machine, press and hold here both pre-wash and time delay for 3 seconds. Then TCL will appear on the display here. It means tub clean is selected. If you start the machine after selecting the tub clean option, the machine washing drum cleaning process will start. Otherwise, if you want to know the complete cleaning process of this machine, that is if you want to know how to clean the machine detergent tray or washing drum or inside corner of the machine, I have given the machine complete cleaning process video link in the description below and screens also. Okay, after putting the cloths in the machine and adding the detergent, I selected the mix wash program here and I started the machine. After starting the machine, it will do 3 cycles: wash, rinse and finally spin. Spin mean drying in the final cycle. If these 3 cycles are completed, we can take the cloths from the machine. Okay friends, in this video I explained how to use this LG front load washing machine completely. If you have any doubts about this LG front load washing machine or any other washing machines, you can also comment in below comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel.